How to get the hamster and grow a garden Roblox. The first things first is open up your Roblox client and then just simply head straight into Grow a Garden experience. Now once you've successfully logged into the game, the specific hamster pet is actually was available back in June 28, 2025. This was a certain kind of event which is a summer shop event that you can get this mythical pet right here. But for now, since the event has already been ended, you can still purchase this specific pet right here by going into the harvest shop in using your 449 worth of Roblox points. So I believe that's pretty much it. That's the only way for you to be able to get still the hamster pet in Grow Garden Roblox.